Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to delete search history on TikTok. If you are using TikTok and now you want to delete your search history, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your TikTok app and here simply tap on your profile in the bottom right corner and then tap on three dots in the top right corner or the menu option, and here select settings and privacy, and here you just have to look for the option of activity center, select that, and you just have to wait for the loading. And then you will get the search history option. Here you will just have to select that option, and here you will get all of your search history on TikTok. So if you want to delete that, select this, tap on the select option in the top right corner, and if you want to delete all history, so select the select all search history here, or if you want to delete any one or some selected, so you can select or unselect from here. Once you have done, tap on the delete option in the bottom right corner, then tap on delete, and in this way all of your search history on TikTok will be deleted. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.